HAL's AERDC in Bengaluru inaugurates a facility to revive the delayed HTFE-25 engine program. Initially intended for trainers and UAVs, the project faced criticism and financial losses. HAL aims to complete trials in 2 years, potentially integrating the engine into their HAL UAV program, marking a recovery opportunity. India's homegrown Arjun Mk1A tank roars closer. First deliveries blast off in September 2024, packing 72 upgrades for firepower, mobility, and survival. An order of 118 tanks, boosting Army's frontline strength and marking a major milestone in India's defense manufacturing. Indian auto components manufacturer Bharat Forge plans to develop short-medium altitude unmanned aerial vehicles for the Indian military, aiming to become a key player in the growing UAV sector. Having entered the drone market recently, the company forms a strategic partnership with US-based General Atomics for technology transfer and collaboration.